Hey everyone, welcome to English with English. On English with English, you are learning tips, tricks, techniques, and lot of confident how to speak English confidently, perfectly, and effortlessly. And thank you for coming back. Why all want from you? Hit the bell icon, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share with your friend and family. On this content, today is the very great a topic I have bring you that will give you a lot of suggestion and a lot of informations and a lot of sense where you have to understand how to start your journey to speak English clearly, confidently, and effortlessly. So in this video, guys will think and will thought and will just say what to do, from where to start English learning. A best way I'll really suggest you with small tips and with a small kind of effort you can start to learn English naturally. How to do that? You know what the things required to speak English? The first small things is that required for you to learn English, to know about a basic grammar. Really basic grammar. In basic grammar, what is that? Modals and tenses and prepositions. That's it. If you have knowledge about that, you can make it. And after that, what you have to focus more in your learning English if you are beginner. What is the most important, After a basic grammar, if you don't have, what you have to do? Rather than going to study any kind of hard books, subjectal books, novels, or newspaper, what you have to do, just start reading small sentences and phrasal verbs and phrases as well. Not phrasal verb, phrases. When you will read, you will get all these things: subject, verb, main verb, helping verb, and a lot of prepositions as well. Complete sentence you will get, and when you will speak those sentences in front of anyone, before anyone, he will understand you and he'll respond to you. So you need not to get any kind of grammatical knowledge. Read phrases and sentences. The first step. Some more sentence you have to read every single day with a lot of consistency. The first thing is that. Second thing, I will just recommend you to listen some English content, or easy English content, every single day, 10 to 20 minutes in 3 parts. Okay, 7 minutes once, 7 minutes again, 7 minutes at end of your day. Listen every single day English content. Whether you understanding, you are not understanding, that doesn't matter, but you have to listen. 2 things you have covered. First, reading sentence, phrases, and second, listen every single day. Third is most important thing. Whatever you are listening, whatever you're reading, just try to speak somebody else. Somebody or speak to yourself. 2 options you have. Speak to yourselves or talk to somebody. If you're able to find a person who can cooperate with you, who can stay with you, with whom you can talk to them. If you don't, so talk to yourselves. How you will talk to, you can see my previous videos, or in future I'll also make video of that. If you need, so just make a comment. I'll of course make a separate video as well. So just do these 3 activities every single day. Read, listen, and talk. With small time, with small and tiny time quantity. You know, don't underestimate small activities. Small activities of a small time, really. If you I think that underestimating those kind of habit, you are making bigger mistake in your life. Really two big mistake you are making in your life, because a small habit can make your life forever. Like, you know how and how you can feel it. Every marathon get started with one step, with walk, not with run, not with hustle and bustle. Just start with walk, and it lead to run and to win the race. You know, it's body which is you have got from God, okay? And God has all created you, your body. You know how it is? Just it will feel, and you will feel, I'm tired, I cannot walk, I cannot run. But after going in ground, looking somebody else who's walking, you are also walking. Somebody running, you started running, and slowly you create your habit and you good runner. You get something. So this is body. I think if you want to be good runner, so don't think about run, just think about walk. Go for walking consistently. After a day, after a week, after a month, you will find out your body is requiring to just walk faster. After some days, it will require to just run slowly. After your body will require you, it will feel you just run slow, little bit faster. And after a year, after a month, it will feel that's not enough. Run too much fastly, and you run too much fastly, and you become a good runner. This is body. So also when you will read phrases, read sentences, after some 2, 3, 5, 6 sentences, after a month, after a week, you will feel, oh, you need something else. Now you are a good reader, listener, good listener, speaking, good speaking, and you will become a great speaker in your life. This is a mantra. This is a key of success. If you are underestimating how much month it will take to boost this kind of habit, so day by day, second by second, minute by minute, hour by hour, week by week, year by year, we are being old, gonna to be die. So in this all activities, why not to include 10 minutes, 20 minutes, an hour to also get this language? Feel free, make a lot of impression in public to your people. That's not better, really better. But before diving into river, we are thinking low about swimming, okay? Just jump into river and think about how to swim. But at the bank of the river, at the shore of the river, you're thinking to jump into how will I swim. Your fear will not let you jump into. So how will you swim, man? Believe me, before dive into, don't think a lot. First dive into, then see how miracle will happen. Nothing at all, my dear. It's just a fear of your mind. It will not allow you to do the reality. Believe me, do, and you can find out yourselves. Here, I'm gonna tell you, thank you so much. This was my message for you to start today now. Don't think tomorrow, because we'll never meet tomorrow. We'll never live life in tomorrow. Every day will come as a present, and we'll live here, we'll die here, everything will be here. So start from now. And with that thing, I will tell you, Jai Hind, thank you so much, and have a good day. Bye bye.